What is bank run? Monkey have leaves. Leaves is money. Monkey no want keep leaves under rock. Rock damp. Leaves rot. So monkey give leaves to bank. Bank hold leaves. Bank keep leaves safe. Monkey walk away happy. Monkey trust bank. Now hear secret. Bank no keep all leaves in vault. Bank is boring if bank just sit on leaves. Bank take monkey leaves and lend to other monkey. Other monkey build treehouse. Other monkey pay back leaves plus extra leaves. Bank keep extra. This how bank make money. Bank only keeps small pile in vault for when monkey come back. Most leaves out in world working. This called fractional reserve banking. Big word. Means bank keep fraction, lend the rest. Bank basically gamble monkeys know all come back same day. Everything fine when monkeys calm. Monkey need 10 leaves, monkey walk to bank, bank give 10 leaves, life good. Bank only needs small pile because only few monkeys come each day. But what happen if all monkeys come same day? Uh-oh. Say bank hold 1,000 monkeys leaves, but vault only have 100 leaves inside. Other 900 leaves out in tree houses, in loans, gone for now. If more than 100 leaves worth of monkeys show up asking, bank run out. Bank say, sorry, no more leaves. Monkey panic. This, the bank run. Not monkeys jogging. Monkeys running to bank to grab leaves before leaves gone. And here twist your monkey brain must understand. Bank run happen even when bank fine. All it take is monkeys think bank in trouble. One monkey hear rumor. One monkey tell friend. What if leaves gone? Friend tell friend. Now everybody sprint to bank. Bank was healthy this morning, but too many monkeys pull leaves at once and bank collapse. Fear make the fear come true. Spooky. Big word time. This called a self-fulfilling prophecy. Means the thing happen only because everybody scared it happen. Like if whole troop scream tree falling, everybody run, everybody trample, tree fall on nobody but monkeys still hurt. Also, there is contagion. One bank fall, monkeys at other banks get nervous. They think, my bank next. So they run too. Now many banks run out of leaves. One panic spread to whole jungle. This, how one small rumor become big banana disaster. Yes, this really happened. In real monkey history, year 1929, human economy crash. Thousands of banks did bank run. Humans line up around block to grab money. Banks empty. Banks close forever. Families lose everything. So the government say, okay, this bad, we fix. Government make deposit insurance. Government promise, if bank die, we still give you your first chunk of leaves back. In human land, they call it FDIC. Now monkey no need panic because monkey no leaves protected. Fewer rumors, fewer runs. Clever monkeys. But careful, insurance no cover everything. Insurance cover up to a limit. If monkey keep mountain of leaves in one bank, way over limit, monkey still lose the top of the mountain. And big rich monkeys with huge leaves get nervous fast. In year 2023, a bank for tech monkeys had run. Rich monkeys pull leaves on phone in one afternoon. No line outside. Just tap, tap, tap. Digital bank run. Bank gone by dinner. Turns out running is faster with thumbs. Quick word from sponsor, but monkey stay in character. Do not worry. When monkey want track all monkey leaves in one place, monkey use today's sponsor. App let you see every leaf pile, every treehouse loan, every banana subscription, one screen. No spreadsheet, no math headache. Monkey tap link below, get 30 days free. So next time rumors start, you already know if your bank got the leaves. Knowledge stop panic. Now back to jungle. So what monkey do? 1. Do not keep all leaves in one bank. Spread the leaves around. 2. Know your insurance limit, stay under it. 3. When whole jungle scream and run, take breath. Panic usually the real enemy, not the bank. And this not financial advice, please do not sue monkey. Monkey just draw bananas. Thank you to whole troop. If you like, hit subscribe and comment what monkey should explain next. Until then, stay banana strong.